This is the gardening journal for July 2nd, and after going without rain all summer long for the last week, it seems like it's rained nearly every day. I think yesterday we got like maybe 1.5 inches of rain, but in between that I did manage to do some planting. And one of the local greenhouses, they had like a 75% off sale on their plants, so I bought a bunch of those, and I didn't get them all planted. Here's some dahlias I didn't get planted, two of them right there, and they had a bunch of stuff that I didn't even know the names of, a lot of it. This right here, yeah, I can't see it. Looks like Super Bell's double orange. So that's not really very descriptive. But a lot of the names were like that. This little purple one here I planted. And another one over here. I was thinking the colors might contrast with the dark purple of the catmint and the lilac color of those. We'll see how that works. No, I think this is a marguerite daisy. I don't know if that's a real daisy or not, but I'm going to guess that it is. So I planted that there. See, the mealybugs, or the Japanese beetles, are out, so I need to start dealing with them. Here's another one I planted. This is just a broken pot laying on its side. It's broken in the middle. So, this bed is so crowded, I'm cutting down some of the things that are too common, like these peonies and a lot of the daylilies. So I got this empty space here, and if they come back, it's okay, and if they don't, that's okay too. And here's another dianthus that I got yesterday, and put a broken piece of a flower pot beside it. And here's a daisy. I don't know, it looks like it's got a daisy-like flower that was already here that I must have planted last year. And it's got really big this summer. I kind of like that. Here's another empty space I could put something. As long as I just get my hedge trimmers and go down here and just trim off all the plants that are grown over the path. That's what I did yesterday. But these are mostly daylilies that I cut down there. This is my phlox that I planted early this spring. I think I got it from Gurney's. And this here is something else I got yesterday that I don't know what it is. Where the name should be, it says unplugged pink. And I can't see anything else. Oh, there's the salvia. And this here is another salvia. like to get a lot more stuff in here that blooms later in the summer. Have something that's blooming like all the time. All of my moonflowers over here I started from seed. This here I also got yesterday. This is lantana. I know that one. I know the name of that one without looking. This is Goldilocks, it says. I don't know. It looks like Biden's favorite. I don't know. I think she had a lot of plants there that you don't know what you're not familiar with, which is probably why they haven't sold all summer long. But I still got more to plant out back. I got a couple of really big. Let's just go around there and look at them. Got two different coral bells. I guess those at Walmart actually. These other things are Julie's house plants we keep alive all winter long. And the garden finally got some water. I think it's probably too late. The tomato plant and the pepper plant. In fact, I already got a pepper off of there. And here's some more stuff I have to plant yet. This is thyme and rosemary. It's very fragrant, and some chives. And the lady at the greenhouse gave us some free pepper plants and a free squash. This bee balm is really grown. I planted it last year, a little teeny plant, about 3 inches tall. I need to come out and pull some weeds if it quit raining long enough. Getting the rain pretty good now. Well, maybe another day without being able to work outside too much. Yeah. This stuff I planted, none of it came up. These are all morning glories from last year I gotta pull up. Well, I'm going inside, get out of the rain. Still getting blackberries, or raspberries, I mean. And they're pretty good. At least when you're out here eating them in the rain, they're been washed. Berries. Pretty good. Well, thanks for watching as I'm eating all these raspberries, and I'll see you next time. I'm going to eat a few more of these and I'll go inside, get out of the rain.